Your USN number, ma'am?
60, sir.
Just 1 second. Okay, your name is there. You opted for IOT. That's good. So still, because yesterday only we have taken the consent. Still, people are given, and I am checking one by one who all has opted for IoT and who has opted for the automotive electronics. So based on that, classes will be parallelly we are going to conduct. So today, the whole section, they can attend. Those who have paid the fees, they can attend my class. First thing is, I want confirmation from you people whether have you paid the fees. Nasya?
Sir, paid, sir.
I didn't get you.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, can you repeat it? Nasya,
Yes, sir.
have you paid the fees?
Yes, sir. 10% balance is there, sir.
Okay, that's okay, no issue. Who is your counselor?
Swapna, ma'am, sir.
So I think you might have updated to both class teacher and this one. So actually it is there in the calendar, no? I've already shared in the calendar. Some of them they are telling you it's not there in the calendar. Showing no? You have joined through calendar only? Nasya?
Yes, sir.
Okay, because some of them they're telling it's not showing in the calendar. Yashasvi somewhere. Yashaswini, she's telling, I'm not sure whether she's could able to join or not. Let us, no issue, let her join. Okay, I'm not finding name also. Yashaswini. Is there anybody by name Yashaswini? Anyone by name Yashaswini? Okay, no issue.
Sir, she's from A section, sir. She can't see the calendar of event.
I'm not sure about it. Fine. So let me start my session, Sailasya. Let me just go through the slides because I kept some slides. Let us see will it work or not. Yes, it's coming. I'm sharing my screen. Would you able to see the screen, Lasya?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So Rupashri is joining. Still people has to join. Good. So I could able to see two of them. One is Rupashri and Narahari. This is how much do you know about IoT? Can you tell some examples of IoT? Let it be interactive. I want it to be interactive. Please be interactive and see to that one we will have interactive session. Let us discuss one together. What exactly is IoT? See in the slide itself, it's mentioned applications and smart cities. IoT applications and smart cities. As many are trying to join, Yashaswini. Okay, let us see. So this is the problem because if I'm starting late and people are not joining in time, and keep on permitting each and every person. That is the one issue we are having with our MS Teams. Okay, so now let me go for full screen.
Sir, I'm not getting to join the Teams calendar, sir.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Because Yashasvi, your name is Yashaswini. Is it
Sir?
Yashaswini? Is it
Yes, sir.
Yashaswini? Okay.
Sir.
The thing is, I have not added the everyone. I have not added everyone in the Teams calendar. Those who are paid the fees till yesterday I have added. Those who are not paid, I have not added them.
Sir, I paid
Okay. You paid yesterday?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's what I got the information morning only. Those who are paid, you kindly join it, or you share the link to them also, because I need to add you students one by one, because I have to get your ID, USN and all. Then only I can able to make you to attend this. No issues. First 1 or 2 days it happens. Later we can go ahead. So I am able to see 3 people: Yashaswini, Rupashri, and Sai Lasya. Okay. So today, as and this is sir told me, like your Dr. Satyasrikant Palle sir told me today I should take one more introduction class, because on Friday I took one introduction class for IoT and WSN, and today also I need to conduct IoT and WSN introduction session only. So for that, I think on that day Rupesh has attended. I'm not going to talk the same thing what I have discussed on Friday. I will be discussing different. Let me check. Okay, who is this one more person? Rameshri. Just 1 second, because those who paid the fees, they only can attend. That is the restrictions what I am having. Okay. Now it will be, people can join, no issues. Okay. Fine. So you can able to see the first screen. Today what I am discussing is IoT, that is Internet of Things, and its application and smart cities. People, those who are using mobile phones, those who are using smart gadgets for different types of applications, you have to know that one, we are working through the internet. Smartphones without internet, it's of no use. Only you can keep alarm or you can play radio. If you don't have the internet, smartphones as of 50% or more than 50%, they will not work at all. So we should have an internet facility for the smartphones, then only we can go for it. Making a call, receiving a call, that is totally different. Initially, phones were meant for make a call and receive a call and SMS. But once the smartphones have entered into the market, our entire usage of the smartphones has changed. Smartphones have replaced the regular telephones. They have replaced the clocks. They have replaced the wristwatches. They have replaced all our health-related gadgets, because smartphones are working with all these type of applications. So I'm able to check the weather conditions, weather forecasts. I'm able to check what can be the what facilities a farmer can get. I'm able to pay my bills online. Everything can be done. We can do using your smartphones itself. So smartphones are one of the best example of your IoT, where many things have been replaced by your smartphone. All the things we are able to perform using a simple smartphone is. Similarly, smart cities. Since we have got the smartphones, we have made the cities as smart, because we can perform a lot of operations using smartphones. See, most of you, I think 3 of you are from this one thing. What is that? All are girls. 1, 2, 3, 4, and who is that? Bhimi Reddy, some person, Jayavardhan. Okay. Currently, all 5 of you are girls only. Ramyashri, Sairasya, Bhumika, and Yashasri. So now, the smartness of a city or Internet of Things has helped a lot, especially for women, because lot of their work load, whatever the regular work, what they're supposed to do physically, it has been reduced like anything. It has been reduced like anything. Can you tell me one simple example? IoT, how it is playing in your regular life? Internet of Things. I want anyone to answer. Can anyone tell me how exactly internet is playing very important role in your daily life? Be interactive. Whether the answer is right or wrong, no issue. I want the answer from your end. Rupashri, Saidasya, Yashaswini. I hope you're able to listen to me. Are you getting my voice?
Yes, sir.
Rupashri, yeah, I got the answer from Rupashri. Very good, Rupashri. Now you tell me, any one of the application of the internet in your life. I'm just talking about the internet. I'm not talking about the Internet of Things. Next step, I'll come to Internet of Things. One simple application of the internet, influence of the internet in your life. Are you not getting anything? I'm not getting answer from you because you people are, without that your life will not start, it will not end also every day without internet. See, the session itself is the one of the example. The session what I am taking today, that itself is the example of Internet of Things. Because I am in campus, you people are there in your different places, we are all connected to each other through the internet. If there is no internet, our gadgets, electronic devices could not be connected. You may be using a mobile phone, you may be using a laptop, you may be using some other devices to connect to this particular class, and we are connected. We are able to communicate each other. This is, as per the current scenario, I can say this is one of the best example for Internet of Things. Smartphones playing a very important role. Okay, forget about this one. After few years, you need to run a house. You'll take a lead in your home, and you should run the show. Maybe some of you may be running the show now itself. Once you become independent, once you have your own house, you try to have a house which is very smart. Very smart in the sense, it should, in a blink of an eye, the work should be done. There should not be much physical activities, physical strain should not be there. Washing clothes, your washing machine should work automatically. Even though we are having automatic washing machine in your home, you should give a power supply manually, you should switch on everything and you should work. That is also one of the intelligent device, electronic device what we are having. But it is currently what we are having in our house, it is not based on the internet. But already a washing machine with the internet connection which is there in the market, where through internet you are able to control your washing machine. So no need to, you're in your workspace, you will be there in your workplace, and your clothes need to be washed. What you will do, morning while going, you put all the clothes in your washing machine and you go home, you go to your workspace. From the workspace, you will switch on your washing machine. By the time you come back to your home, all your clothes will be washed perfectly, 100% dried. Just you can take it out and you can go for ironing and you can wear it. So sitting in your workplace, you are able to control your washing machine. This is one example I am giving. Similarly, your kitchen, refrigerator, your electric stove, your fans, okay, your TV, everything can be operated through internet. That is what is happening now. So no physical strain, no need to worry. You forgot today, I forgot to cook. After going home, I have to cook food. All those things you can erase it now. Just before leaving your home, you chop all the vegetables and keep the cooker ready. And before leaving your workspace, or by the time you leave your workspace or your company or your organization, you can switch on your stove. By the time you reach your home, your food will be ready. You can serve the hot food, or you can eat. So no need to worry about the morning I prepared the same old food I need to eat. That is not required at all. Now that is happening now in the current scenario. Okay, so this is what so many examples I can give. Fan can be on and off, AC can be on and off through internet. Okay, all required operations what we are having currently, they can be operated through internet. You're able to book a ticket, whether it's a movie ticket or train ticket or air ticket. How you are doing that one? Without internet, you could not do that. Railway reservation, train reservation, or air ticket reservation, bus ticket reservation. Without internet, we cannot go for it. So lot of applications are there in internet through internet of things, and beyond our reach the technology is very smart. Beyond our reach we're able to do that one. And since the data and all what we are going to have nowadays, all the data is getting accumulated, we could not keep them in the one storage area where we are keeping them in a cloud. So internet of things, there should be internet, there should be a network, there should be a cloud space. With all these three, and very important is the security. Every day we are keep on uploading the Instagram, we are uploading the Facebook or Twitter, but without internet it's not possible. Through internet only we are able to do. We're sitting in our place, we can able to do that very soon. And last semester, all the activities, what has happened, academic activities, what has happened, it is through internet only. Without internet, we could not have completed our classes. We could not have completed our class. This IA, assignments, even final examinations. Some of the final year examination we have conducted online, like project, seminar, and internships and all those things. So without internet, there is no life. That is what is happening. That is what internet of things. I am still pointing what. I have not come across how. I am just explaining about what are the different applications which are available in the society, which are totally depending on the internet. Now, it is our duty, being an electronics engineers or being an engineering graduates, it is our duty to explore into that. We should see that on how it is happening. How exactly this much data is able to transmit or receive within a fraction of a second. Within a fraction of a second, we are able to transmit. I think recently I have seen one WhatsApp message saying that one recently Japan has invented a 50 gigabytes transmission rate, data rate. 50 gigabytes in a second. That means you're able to download some 1,000 movies in 1 second like that. There is one WhatsApp image, WhatsApp message. I don't know how far it is true. If that is the thing, obviously we can do wonders. We can do wonders. Okay. So I think people are catching what I am telling. It is just an introduction I am giving over there. I am just telling what exactly Internet of Things is there and where exactly we are using it. Where exactly? Everywhere internet is applied. Without internet, nothing. Your fees you are paying through internet. If you are don't have the internet, you could not able to pay the fees. You could not able to pay your college fees or transportation fee or some other fees. So all your transaction, monetary transactions is happening through internet. All your booking, ticket booking, that is also monetary transactions. And there is one big week is going on now. That is Amazon, Meesho, and Flipkart, everyone has 1 week. They given the space for you people. Big billion day, they call that is Flipkart. Even Amazon also savings. There is some, I don't know the name of what the name they have given over there. Because of this week, everyone is connected to internet. They're able to check what is available in the Flipkart, what is available in the Amazon, what exactly the new things have coming to the market, how much discount I am getting. With internet, we could able to connect with Flipkart, we could able to connect with Amazon. They're all just a middleman. Amazon, Flipkart are all middlemen. They're all not the manufacturers, they are not the production units. They're just connecting the end users. They're connecting the person who is selling the goods, and they're connecting the person who want to buy the goods itself. So if you don't have the internet, you cannot buy it. So lot of applications every day, one or the other applications are coming into picture because of the internet. So it is very good to learn internet on your own. You can do that. Okay, see, these are the applications we are having over there. But what is the contribution we are giving? What is the impact of the internet? You might have seen that Amazon advertisement. You can pay your electricity bill through Amazon. That is the advertisement they are going to give. No need to go and pay. No need to go and stand in a queue. You can directly pay your electricity bills through Amazon. Without internet, it is not at all possible. Two things are connected. That is your electricity portal, that is Bescom portal, which is connected to internet, and your device is connected. Just you give the RR number, and immediately it will show what is the amount you're supposed to pay. Automatically, you can pay the bill. Electricity bill, water bill, and some other, even next maybe in few days you may get the gas bill also online. Okay, you can pay online how much you are going to consume. You can pay that. Your phone bills and your what is that, TV connections, what and all you are having, everything online you are going to get. So all your transactions through online. WhatsApp is entering into the paying. You can digital pay. Everyone has come into digital pay. But digital pay is happening. Similarly, a lot of issues are there. What are the issues? Frauds. Many people can hack your accounts and they're able to see. Many people can hack your accounts. They're able to snatch your money, valuable money, what and all your hard-earned money, they're able to. So that is a major issue what we're having with respect to internet. Smart cards, your ATM cards and credit cards, you have to be very careful with respect to that. So we engineers need to see to that one how much security we can provide for them. Okay, so that is some of the introduction where in our syllabus we will just have a glimpse of all these things. What is the Internet of Things? What are the history of Internet of Things? How it has been come into picture and how it has been connected. What are all the applications? Everything will come across. Now moving on to this is what I have shown in the previous class. These are the two textbooks which we are going to refer. One is Raj Kamal, the author name is Raj Kamal, Internet of Things, Architecture and Design Principles. And the second part is your wireless sensor network, protocols and architecture for the wireless sensor network. Moving ahead, what and all we are going to learn? Introduction to Internet of Things, how IoT works, features of Internet of Things, IoT stack, IoT application, IoT based smart cities, advantages of Internet of Things, and future of IoT. So this is a small PPT I have prepared just for the introduction. Just for the introduction I have prepared over there, and actual syllabus comes from the next class. When you look into this particular diagram or image, it shows how exactly networking technology comes into picture. 1969, an internet has been evolved. That is, we call them as ARPANET, that is Advanced Research Project Agency Network. Initially, they are not called it as internet, they are called it as ARPANET, that is Advanced Research Projects Agency Network. It's mainly used for research purpose because they could not able to meet frequently They don't want to go physically. They could not make it physically. They could not meet it. So they, through computers, they thought of sharing their information. They connected their devices. That is ARPANET in 1969. Then only in 1982, that is almost more than 10 years, your TCP/IP. Have you heard about TCP/IP? Yes or no? I need your confirmation from your end. TCP/IP. What is IP? Dear friends.
Internet protocol.
Yes, Internet Protocol. So hope what I am explaining, you are catching it. Rupa Sri, are you catching it?
Yes, sir.
Is this phase is okay, or should I go a little bit slow or faster?
Is it fine, sir?
It's okay, no? No issues.
Yes.
So IP,
Yes.
as you said, it is Internet Protocol. TCP. What is TCP then? Any idea? Yeah, somebody. You can tell, no issues. I'm not able to hear you properly. Can you repeat it? Bhim Reddy.
Transmission control.
Very good, very good. Thank you, Mr. Bhim Reddy. I'm not sure whether how to call you because today is the first day I'm interacting with you. Is this Bhim Reddy or is it Jayavardhan? Something is there? What should I call you?
Jayavardhan.
Jayavardhan. Okay, thank you, Jayavardhan. It's really good. Transmission control protocol. Transmission control protocol and Internet protocol. In 1982, they have officially they named it as TCP/IP, where everything, the rules, the regulations, the protocols, everything has been introduced. That is TCP/IP. In 1990, exactly after 8 years. Previously, we used to connect only computers. We used to connect only computers which are connected through network, through cables or something and all they connected. Then only in 1990, other than computer, it is a, as you see, it's a toaster. A toaster which is connected to your internet, where you can use the toaster and you can connect and you can play with that one, or you can operate that. Sitting in your system, you can operate that. It's just a symbolic representation. They given a thing is been connected to the network where you could able to pass the data to that, or you could able to extract the data from that particular device. Then in 1999 only, from 1990 they keep on connecting. There is a lot of research has happened. They're connecting different devices. Then in 1999, almost in the verge of Y2K. Y2K, you might have heard about it. Internet of Things have been named. It is a person who has named it as Internet of Things. I'll come to that. Okay, next slide, it's going to be. Then I told you the refrigerator can be connected through internet. See, 20 years back only it has been done. LG has come into picture. They want to operate their refrigerator through internet. They should connect, it should play, it should control. Okay, now the latest intelligent refrigerators has come into picture. That itself will tell you the information. There is no fruits in the refrigerator, there is no vegetables in the refrigerator, cooler is not working. All those information will be sent to the message through your phone because it is updated. This is current scenario. But at 2000, they tried to connect a refrigerator, and refrigerator has been connected, and through internet we are able to operate the refrigerator, switch on or switch off, and all those things we could able to do that. Then in 2005, furthermore invention and improvements, global attention. Then on in 2005 only globally, because till 2005 only research activities they used to try and trial and error method they used to do that. But in 2005 only they globally they exhibition means exhibited to the entire globe, saying that it is not only computers we can connect, we could also connect the many other devices to the internet and we are able to operate them. Then 2010, Google has introduced self-driven vehicles. Self-driven vehicles in the sense through Bluetooth, they could able to connect And one of the major advantage with respect to that is your GPS. GPS, they have introduced a global positioning system, navigation system, where in the vehicle you could able to fix it out and vehicle will navigate to the destination through the proper path. So then only your Ola, Uber and all the taxis, everything has come into picture. Okay, so this is the impact of your internet on current scenario. 2013, Apple, Google Glass, they have introduced. So this image, it is a image which is from the Google. I have extracted. Long back it has been extracted. Since I need to explain the history, I have got only this much. After 2013, a lot of things have happened. Last 9 years, many things, smartphones and all your applications, based on your application you can do. So yesterday, I have discussing with the third year students, second year students, they themselves have explained me a lot of things about the what is the new application which are there in your mobile. Through internet, we are able to perform all the classroom activities we can perform on mobile itself. All the circuits can be simulated. Circuits can be simulated, circuits can be structured. You can lay out the circuit and we're able to execute that. So those are the new innovative things which have been done through internet. Because of the internet, the facilities have been given. Next, we'll move ahead. I think this is somewhat you got some idea how exactly the history of the network has come into picture, how exactly the Internet of Things come into picture. Now he is the person, Kevin Ashton. Kevin Ashton is the person who has given the name as Internet of Things. Though there are so many devices which are connected previous to 1999, they were not being called as Internet of Things. But Kevin Ashton, inventor of the term Internet of Things, he is the person who has given the name as Internet of Things. The Internet of Things is about empowering computers so they can see, hear, and smell the world for themselves. So you might have seen so many movies in that is scientific fictions movies. Lot of things, even 1999 and 2000 only, lot of movies have come in based on the Internet of Things. Okay, like your what is a Terminator and all those things. They're all based on the artificial intelligence. Terminator. Okay, Terminator 2 or 3 or something. So when the artificial intelligence comes into picture, obviously there should be Internet of Things should be there. Okay, so in 1999, Kevin Ashton has come to a conclusion saying that if the computer has to be empowered, Internet of Things will play an important role where computer can feel, they can see, they can hear, they can smell the entire world. So they can able to identify what's happening in the world. They can able to see that one. So that is the major advantage with respect to Internet of Things. He is the person who has given the name. What it is, what he is actually, what he has done. Kevin Ashton is a presentation of Procter and Gamble, that is P&G. In the P&G in 1999, coined the term Internet of Things. He is the person, coined in the sense he has given the name. He is a co-founder of Auto ID Center at MIT. He was using RFIDs. Using RFIDs, he was able to connect. Okay, for product P&G products, and all the P&G products were there. Procter and Gamble products were there. Can you give the example of P&G products? Can anyone? Have you heard about P&G products from the P&G, Procter and Gamble? We were using, daily life we were using over there. If you see, go to the shopping mall, there are so many FMCGs. FMCGs in the sense, fast moving consumer goods or daily life using goods. There are many of them from Procter and Gamble. Okay, so Terminator 3, the rise of machines in 2003 demonstrates the power of machines. That is also through internet. I told you before this slide only. I told you that when Terminator 2 or 3 it was introduced. Okay, so Terminator 3 is one of the movie which is based on Internet of Things, where things can be connected and you're able to perform the operations. You're able to see the operations. Almost every area, device, sensor, softwares, etc. are connected to each other. See, fundamentals, what we have to do is, if there is Internet of Things, if some data need to be extracted, some data need to be communicated, some data need to be processed. We should have different devices. One of the devices which can get the data, which can give the input is the sensors. There are so many sensors which are available in our current market, especially your temperature sensors, moisture sensors, okay, water, this one level sensors, everything. So different sensors are available. You may be having a smart watch where you are going to buy. It also shows that one how many steps you have walked today, how many calories have been burned, how it is. It's a smart watch which has been incorporated behind a sensor. But in Internet of Things, sensors will sense the data and they will be sent through the internet and they're going to get a lot of information. The data information can be stored. They're able to store the information. The ability to access these devices through the smartphone or through a computer is called the IoT. That's what I'm telling. Through smartphones you can do, through IoT you can do, or through computers you can do. We call them as IoT. These devices are accessed from a distance, from far away distance we can go further. A patient's information can be passed to the doctor or a surgeon for emergency. Nowadays, online consultation is going on. Online consultation. Even one simple example I can show you, I can explain. I had been to a ENT specialist. Because of pandemic, the ENT surgeon or ENT doctor, he cannot sit with me side by side. So what he has done, through some device, he could able to see my ear, and he can diagnose that one. He could have diagnosed those things. There is a distance between the doctor and the patient, because he don't want to lose the patients. He has to treat the patient. Even patient is also in a severe condition, because I am a lot of pain. So doctor used to practice by using the devices, sensors, where they can sense the problems and it gives the information to the doctor and the doctor can diagnose. It's not only ENT, even eye specialist, even dental. Dental, physically they have to work, but eye specialist and all, there are a lot of internet-based devices, they could able to see them. Patient will be sitting somewhere, doctor will be sitting somewhere, and the data can be passed through the devices and they could able to see them. So every nook and corner, the applications of IoT is there. It is our duty to explore ourselves, where exactly I should fit and where I am going to fit. How exactly I can do that one. Fine. Then now coming to what exactly is IoT? Network of physical objects. Any physical objects which are interconnected, we call them as network. Devices, vehicles, buildings, and other items. Building to building communication. Building to building communication can be done. Vehicle to vehicle communication can be done. Say that's what our navigation system. I'm able to navigate. Lot of crimes have been solved with respect to internet. If you have the internet facility, what are the crimes which are happening that can be solved easily using our technology, using our Internet of Things technology, we could able to solve them. Embedded with electronics, software, sensors, and network connectivity. So IoT basically networking of objects, different types of objects. It may be a small minor object to a building or aircrafts, which are, it may be even ships, even warships, especially our I told you in the previous class also, the security. Major thing is the security. We should provide the 100% security for everyone. For that, my internet plays a very important role. Enables these objects to collect and exchange information or data. Things refer to any physical object, any physical things that has its own IP address. Everything which is connected should have the IP address. Is your Alexa is having IP address? I think you might have heard about Alexa. Have you heard about Alexa?
Yes, sir.
Okay, is Alexa is having IP address?
Yes, sir.
So it should have. Okay, as soon as you go to your place, you will say, Alexa, I need a coffee. Alexa, play a song. Alexa, I want to know what's the weather report of tomorrow. Like this, you're going to say. So immediately it will capture the data. It's going to give the data. Audio message is going to come over. So Alexa is one of the example of your Internet of Things. So smart things, all the things which are connected, they play smart and they're going to get the information. So this is a glimpse. What are the different areas, different what we can call technologies and different types of services. Everywhere is IoT is there. Everywhere. Machines, they're connected. Logistics, they're connected. Devices, they're connected. Mobile phone, your iPod, the computer, all the devices. Retail, I think you might have observed that one Amazon Go. Have you heard about Amazon Go? Yes or no? Amazon Go. I want the answer. Can you tell me Amazon Go? What is Amazon Go? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
The video I might have observed. What is Amazon Go video? Not finding it. Amazon Go. I should go to YouTube and check it out. What it is? What is Amazon Go? What is Amazon Go? Not finding. Yeah, this is a small video. Are you able to see the YouTube?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can I play this?
Yes.
Are you getting the audio with the video?
Only, no, sir.
No,
No.
no audio. No, only video is coming. Correct?
Yes,
No,
sir.
audio, music is not coming because I have not shared. I'll share it now. Wait. Just 1 second.
Grab what you want and just go. What if we could
Are you getting the audio now?
Yes, sir.
weave the most advanced machine learning, computer vision, and AI into the very fabric of a store so you never have to wait in line? No lines, no checkouts, no registers. Welcome to Amazon Go. Use the Amazon Go app to enter. Then put away your phone and start shopping. It's really that simple. Take whatever you like. Anything you pick up is automatically added to your virtual cart. If you change your mind about that cupcake, just put it back. Our technology will update your virtual cart automatically. So how does it work? We used computer vision, deep learning algorithms, and sensor fusion, much like you'd find in self-driving cars. We call it Just Walk Out technology. Once you've got everything you want, you can just go. When you leave, our Just Walk Out technology adds up your virtual cart and charges your Amazon account. Your receipt is sent straight to the app, and you can keep going. Amazon Go. No lines, no checkout. No, seriously.
This is one of the small example of your Internet of Things. One small example I am talking about, where smart shopping without internet is not at all possible, because things have been connected to internet. As soon as you pick a product, it will sense, a sensor is there, sensor will sense, it's going to add up to a virtual list. Okay, like a virtual cart, you can call that one. So without internet, without connecting them, it is not at all, absolutely it's not possible. So any retail, that is why, because of retail, which is there in the screen, I have shown you that Amazon Go video. So like this, you will get a lot of videos on Internet of Things, online. We even what I am explaining, it may be basics. Even beyond that one, advanced concepts will be there in your Internet of Things system. So I am in the verge of completing my session. Already it is 12:45. So let me stop it now. I hope I can stop. Can I stop, or you want me to continue? Shall I stop or not? Yes, please. I need an answer from you. Shall I continue?
No, sir. Tomorrow class.
Tomorrow's class. Okay. No
Sir,
issues. Sonika,
sir, can you give us time to write the notes, sir?
you want me? Have I given the notes to write?
Yes, sir. You are showing the PPTs, but we are not getting time to write it on.
Okay, okay. So you want? No, don't worry. It's already available in your MS Teams. This one, IoT class. You go there and you can download it. Whenever you want, you can download it. All the modules are there.
Okay,
Every
sir.
module is there. Okay, it is there. The PPT is there. The modules, the notes, everything is there. Go to your IoT class, IoT and WSN class. This particular my class. Go to files. You will get all the notes. Okay. Everything
Okay,
is
sir.
already updated. I am just taking the session. If you want, you can. That's what you have to interact with me. Then only I'll come to know what is required for you. So if you want to stop me, I can stop. Even I can relax. Okay, fine. Let me
Yes,
stop
sir.
the session now. Let me stop the session now. Relax yourself. Get ready for the afternoon class.